The urethane game has changed immensely over the past couple of months. 16 and 17 purples are banned. Purple hammers are banned here, there, everywhere. PBA is changing their rules. There's green pin purples, there's purple pin purples, there's a new blue hammer. What do? PBA is changing their rules as well, and we want you to be in the know about all of them. Starting with the professionals, going into the 2024 season, professionals cannot use urethane balls under a 78 hardness, and they have to be manufactured after August 1st, 2022. So in case you didn't know, the PBA over the past couple of months has done studies with the urethane balls that over time they have seen that the balls are getting softer as time goes on. And what this means is they're going below the legal limit. And because they're going below the legal limit, the PBA wants to stop that and change it. So that's why this hardness is being raised up to 78 for the urethane-like balls. So what does that mean? The PBA has done some testing and they've come about this new rule. Each brand has created a new urethane ball or urethane-like bowling ball at this new hardness that will be legal for PBA competition. Hammer has released the new blue hammer. Storm has released the IQ78U. What these bowling balls are doing is they're allowing the PBA Tour guys to use urethane-like balls while staying in compliance with these new rules. This rule will go for all PBA Tour levels, the National Tour, the Regional Tour, the PBA 50 Tour, and all the PBA Junior events. So if you're competing in one of those events, please be sure to stay in compliance with those rules. So now, as you're watching the PBA National Tour, you won't see any more purple hammers, you won't see pitch blacks, you won't see fast pitch, you won't see any of those urethane balls on the National Tour anymore. You will start seeing more new blues and the IQ78U. And you'll also see that on the Regional Tour, PBA 50 Tour, and PBA Junior Tours. So what does this mean for you? Urethane balls will still be legal in almost every event that you're going to bowl as a USBC member in all those USBC sanctioned events. Be aware that if you're going to compete in any PBA event, whether it be a PBA Junior, Regional Tour, Senior event, or a national event, you gotta be aware of those rules and make sure you have those urethane balls that comply with those rules. But if you're going to an event like the USBC Open Championships or Junior Gold, purple hammer and pitch black, fast pitch for those Storm and Roto Grip guys are still gonna be totally legal. If you're looking for a ball that's like urethane or reacts like urethane but is still a reactive ball, new blue hammer is totally the way to go. That will still give you that urethane-like reaction that won't affect the lane nearly as much. If you're looking into getting into a urethane game and looking into getting your first urethane ball, here's some things you should look out for. If you want that urethane ball, the purple hammer is totally the way to go. If you're looking for a reactive ball that maybe might not piss off your league teammates, I'd totally go with the new blue hammer. It reacts just like urethane, but doesn't affect the lane nearly as much as that urethane ball. So now, if you have a purple hammer and you're looking to get a new blue hammer, I've got both of them here today. We're gonna do a little bit of comparing, and since they're basically the same ball, we're gonna have a little fun with this, throw some satisfying strikes. That's all the talking that I'm gonna do for today. Thanks for watching. Justin Bones out. Peace.